Good morning, guys, from the Adirondacks. Today we're going to try out the new saw that I bought and put it to the test. We've completely sold out of most of our hardwoods. We had a good run last week, so we're going to have to go up and find some ash, hard maple, and I want to cut down a beech tree today. One with kind of a rough, screwed up bark. I like to cut into one and see what it looks like. So stick with us. We're going to go up on the hill and cut down a couple trees, try out the new saw, and it promises to be a nice day, with the exception the black flies are absolutely horrible. All right, guys, we're heading up on the hill as soon as Tim gets over here. Pickle now, trying to fall backwards. Watch that bottom, it's probably going to kick out. You want the wedge? Cracking. It's the way it started to fall. She's hung up in the tree. She felt all kinds of funny, huh?
Yeah, maybe it wasn't supposed to.
All right, let's figure out what we're going to do. many of our one holes that we tried to fix. Drainage going through. Still, to no prevail. Wait till I guess it dries up. I don't know. We made it to where it's possible. Get to it anyway with the pole rollers. The logs on the back. Beautiful day today. Black flies are horrible. Rick's got a net hat, face net. I don't have anything. Tried to go to Walmart, nothing. Says they have them, they don't. Of course, what else to do? Well, this is how we pass our time on a Saturday. Yeah, see that right there hanging off the back of Rick's arch? Hello? Cha-ching, that's money. Hi guys, we're almost out and about, out of the woods. Carried up 6 logs today. Ash, maple, Rick's little truck. Oh. Okay guys, so I've worked all day today with the huyosen chainsaw, 60cc 18-inch bar. The saw performed flawlessly. Super powerful. I have to say that I am really impressed, especially for $139. Probably six and a half hours of straight sawing today. And like I said, I am super impressed. $139. Amazon. Okay guys, so on our next video, we've sawn over 10,000 board feet on the HFE 30. We're going to do a review on it. Some things I changed. No major changes, but a few things I changed to make the mill work a little better for me. And we're going to saw up this beech. This beech has a really rough, odd looking bark. I've already opened it up to see what it looks like. This is going to be a pretty cool wood, I believe. It's got a really neat design in it. So we're going to make some boards out of it and see if there's anybody out there that does woodworking that might be interested. Alright guys, thanks for watching.